I believe that we will! I believe that we will!
Hi, my name is Lola Sanchez. Welcome back to episode 23 of Trojan TV. Caitlin Brown interviewed our student body on what their pre-game hype song is. What's your pre-game hype song? Massive by Drake.
The Weekend by Michael Gray.
Tweaker by Leangelo Ball.
Good Days by SZA.
Superstar by Matthew Santos.
Okay, my song is 30 for 30 by Kendrick Lamar and SZA.
I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30.
You got one shot, one opportunity. Eminem's big song.
4 Non-Blondes. What's going on?
Need It by NBA Youngboy. Superstar by Lupe Fiasco.
Make No Sense by YB.
Mine is Disturbia by Rihanna.
Light the Night, hosted by NHS last Saturday, was a huge success. Here's some insight.
3, 2, 1!
Layla interviewed Stuco on COTY Point's current rankings.
So you can get COTY Points by showing up to the games that are COTY Points and checking in with the people that are in the vests, and they'll mark you down and then you get points for showing up. And then also there's dress-up days that will have, everything's posted on Anniversary Stuco, so check it out to see what you can do to get points for your grade. Both of those grades are doing a really good job at showing up to events and dressing up for spirit days and just participating in everything COTY and checking in with their people, and so they're really close in the running. The COTY trip this year is to the zoo, so make sure to support your grade in all the activities and get those points. Step it up, freshmen and juniors.
Judith Morales' baking and pastry class.
Okay, let's try it. Let's record it.
Hi, this is Judith Morales. I teach baking and pastries here at Andover High School. And we focus first on how yeast works, and so then we make foods based on yeast and how it develops. And then we move into some really light pastries like empanadas and croissants, and we learn the techniques to go with that and the lamination processes. And then at the end we move into how to make a cake and frostings, and then a little bit of how to decorate correctly. So that's what we are about. Most of our labs do take time, they're 3 or 4 day labs, because of the patience of how to make baking and pastry goods.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Trojan TV. See you next week.